the ultimate guide to sealing quartz countertops.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the best method to seal man-made quartz countertops. Quartz is a very popular choice for countertops due to its durability and variety of color options, but it's important to know how to properly seal it to preserve its beauty and longevity.
Do quartz countertops need sealing?
Before diving into the process, let's address an important question. Do quartz countertops need to be sealed at all? Unlike natural stone, quartz countertops are non-porous, meaning they do not absorb liquids and do not require annual sealing. However, they aren't entirely invincible, so proper care and occasional sealing can keep your countertops looking brand new for years.
When should you seal quartz countertops?
Even though quartz countertops are durable and non-porous, they might benefit from a sealant in certain cases. If your countertop is near a high heat source, or in an area where it's likely to come into contact with strong chemicals, an appropriate sealant can provide an extra layer of protection.
Choosing the right sealant.
There are a variety of quartz countertop sealants available in the market, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. You should opt for a top-quality quartz sealer that provides resistance to heat, stains, and UV light. Be sure to read the manufacturer's instructions to ensure the product is suitable for quartz surfaces.
The sealing process.
To seal your quartz countertops, 1. Clean the surface. Start by cleaning your countertops thoroughly. Make sure to remove any residue or grime, as this could interfere with the sealant's ability to adhere to the surface. 2. Apply the sealant. Following the manufacturer's instructions, apply the sealant evenly across the surface. A paintbrush or a soft cloth can be used to spread the sealant. 3. Let it dry. Allow the sealant to dry. The drying time may vary depending on the product, so refer to the instructions provided by the manufacturer. 4. Buff the surface. Once the sealant has dried, use a soft cloth to buff the surface until it shines. Note: be sure to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area while applying the sealant to avoid potential skin irritation and fumes. Sealing quartz countertops may not be necessary under normal circumstances due to their non-porous nature, but in certain situations, it can provide extra protection and prolong their lifespan. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to easily seal your quartz countertops and maintain their pristine appearance. As always, if you're unsure, don't hesitate to contact a professional. Thank you for watching, and happy sealing!